Alright, so today is officially the first day of Cruisin Ocean City, and we are at the convention center. Just had done having some breakfast, and let's go for a little stroll around the parking lot, shall we?
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I want in life. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. Got a body and she naughty, never want her off me. Hot like wasabi, hot like some coffee. We drink like a hobby, like to get sloppy. We ain't never stopping. Yeah. I just wanna drink with this girl all day. I don't wanna think, I just want to play. Keep me underneath the sheets while we sleep all day. I just wanna feed everything I crave. I recall the first day that I met you. How could I forget you? No, I don't regret you. Hope I don't upset you. I miss laying in bed too. Your head up on my chest, you were never second best, boo. Sipping on some liquor, we remember all the good times. Live a little quicker, thinking bigger, wish we could climb. Look up in the mirror, seeing clearer for our first time. Just a couple sinners, man, I wish I could reverse time. Yeah, we fake it till we make it, or we break it off and hate it. Getting faded, getting naked, every time I feel impatient. And sometimes I can't escape it, I just wanna feel you shaping. Like my dreams, I can't sit back, I have to chase them. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have.
So let's recap the first day of Cruisin Ocean City, Maryland. Started off at the Civic Center, where I filmed about 1:30. Tried to get to the inlet, and about halfway there, the sky just opened up and it poured. So got back here as quickly as I could, because there's no roof on my Cobra. And then I spent the whole day editing. We went for dinner at Secrets, R&M Performance. They were having their show in the parking lot. There were literally 13 cars in the rain, and every single car got a trophy. Tomorrow, the weather's still not looking good, but hopefully Saturday things clear up and we get a good day Saturday to really get some good stuff done. So tomorrow I'm gonna hit the parade on the boardwalk in the morning, rain or shine, and we'll see what happens the rest of the day. So that's pretty much it for right now, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Bangin' Gears.
Let me tell you about a place somewhere up in New York way, where the people are so gay, twisting the night away.